Hello everyone, my name is Precious and I built an EPL analysis tool with Zerve AI. I was just trying to understand the efficiency of bookmakers hold and to to see if I could identify hidden value betting opportunities with machine learning. Okay, so this project uses real English Premier League data across 6 seasons and a trained model to compare bookmaker probabilities with model predictions. So I'm just going to try out a test match between Arsenal and Chelsea, and the home team will be Arsenal and the away team will be Chelsea Football Club. Okay, um, the home odds will be 1.5. Okay, and the draw odds will be 3. Okay, and the away odds will be let's do 4. Okay, so now you can see that the model brings outputs probabilities, and also based on these probabilities it flags each of these odds as fair, overpriced, or value bet. But for now, none of these odds are flagged as value bets because they are actually okay. But based on the probabilities from the model, each of these odds are flagged as either value bet, overpriced, or fair enough. Right?